11th one, write a Python program to copy the contents of a file to another file. Okay, copy of one file, means copy of text one from file to another file. Simple one. We have to use open mode function for this. To open function, we have to open two open mode two open functions with open. One is a new.txt file. Okay, new.txt file, and read mode. Open this in read mode as F1. And another mode, open new file here. Okay, second.txt or whatever name, give new name here, and write mode. Okay, we have to write mode here. Simple. Okay, we are reading and we are writing to this file from new text file to the second.txt file. F2 write. So we have to read first. We have to read this file. Okay, using F1.read. F1.read. X is equal to just to read from this file. We have for loop. You can use this for line in. Okay, for line in F1 write. F2 dot write method is here. Line. Simple. Okay, just check the output. Simple. So here second.txt is not there. Here second.txt is. Okay, second.txt file is not there. So I want to copy this new.txt file to the new text second.txt file. Okay, new.txt file we open in read mode and second.txt open in write mode. Okay, we are reading this file using for loop for line in F1. Using write method, we are updating the text to this F2 file variable. Okay, F2 file variable. Check the output here. See, new already second.txt here says copied here. Simple one. There is another shentline copy function module is there. You can copy to that also. So you can check, practice.